Josh, on me.
Right before your eyes, witness the travesty. Trainers and the promise and big walking away. And the defenders of justice keep falling
Move up.
again and again and again.
To the left.
And again, no one can deny the horrors of our age. The puppets and trick lies will never wash them away. They can't distract us from all it's falling again and again and again and again. Are you blind? Are you cold? How can you say you don't have an opinion?
Cool.
And that you'll give me a reason. There is nothing left worth believing in this world that we're living in. Oh, when I have an opinion. Oh, then there is always a reason. And then lies are worth believing. We have to show it.
That's two.
The wicked can disguise their motives anyway. It's the ultimate crime when we look the other way. Sick and blind on the devil's
Hey, babe, shoot my tooth out.
again and again and again and you cannot justify your perfect apathy. Cast aside your indifference, throw it away. In the masses of the innocence, calling again and again and again and again. Are you blind? Don't you know? How can you say you
I hate you, bro. Bang, mofo. He dead. Hit! Good hit!